onion flakes. A little bit more onion. Aren't you wondering why the pot looked dark before the soy sauce went in there? Yes, you are. Black pepper. I saw someone put a can of Coca-Cola on her stove. So I have a can of A&W root beer in this pot with all of my ingredients because I love root beer. Oh, ooh. Now the only thing is, okay. I was about to say I need something else. Honey. The only difference between her chicken and my chicken, she put all of her seasons together and she fried her chicken. I'm going to boil my chicken. I don't want to have fried chicken tonight. I'm going to put ketchup in mine as well. I don't know what it is, but this person has me eating ketchup on every freaking thing. And baby, when I tell you, it's coming out delicious. This smells absolutely delicious. Now my friend, she boils her chicken in soy sauce and all that other stuff, but I'm using my soda, and it smells delicious. Ooh. I'm going to turn it down because I don't know if the soda, yeah, the soda is bubbling up. Smells delicious, boys and girls. I haven't eaten for hours. It's maybe 1 a.m. right now. Cora made me laugh last night because she said I be cooking in the middle of the night. I said, don't be telling them lies on me. Yes, I do, boys and girls. I love my schedule. Oh my goodness. Oh. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mm. Oh, my stomach doesn't growl. So I get no form of hunger until I get to the point where I feel like I have been, can't describe it, but I feel much better now. Mmm, 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 mmm. Oh, my goodness. That looks delicious. Oh, that looks delicious. I cannot wait to have that. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit because I do not want it to boil over. Look at the color. Look at the color, boys and girls. It's coming out so nice. Mmm. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. Woo! I want all of the bottom, boys and girls. All of the bottom. Oh, that looks delicious. Now, you might have seen the other day that I didn't realize I left my stove open. And look what I ended up doing. Oh, the smell is totally gone. Thank you, Lord. Now that looks delicious. I cannot wait to bite into that. Will I bite into that while it's piping hot? Absolutely not. Yeah! Boom, 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 boom. Yes, it is. Let me see what time it is, boys and girls, because we know. Told you. 1 a.m. Okay. What the blows and skirts are you asking me? Why is it that this? You know, I gotta tell you a little something about me, little something. So let me lift up my camera real quick while my chickens get together. Okay, there is a young lady that is spoiled rotten. Now, I just got her a vanity that she wanted. Okay, today a few goodies arrived to her location. Now I'm showing her some bracelets I made. She wants one for her and her friend. Would you believe that this spoiled young lady, I'm not even going to create a name for this person, whenever she wants something for her, she wants it for her friends too. I'm like, what? So now I got one more Halloween charm, and she wants 2 bracelets. So when I tell you, sometimes I say to myself, she is a wonderful friend because she always includes her friends in her freebies that she gets from her mother. But a couple of weeks ago, her friend was at her house. I sent her a pen and a bracelet. A pen, a bracelet, and a card. And she was so appreciative and so loving of the bracelet and the pen. But my daughter is spoiled. I mean, good grief, come over here and make your friend a bracelet. But the other day she was here, I made 2 bracelets for another person that, and no, I'm not charging them for the bracelets, and it's not about no money, so don't think that. I made the 2 bracelets. Then she said, Mommy, but you have to make, I have to? Do you see the terminology you're using? I have to? So I sat there, made the little girl a bracelet. She likes Hello Kitty, so I made a little bracelet. Next thing you know, someone else needed a bracelet. So now what I'm going to do, start sending her some supplies to her address. Okay. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, can you imagine? Coral, would you like to have some? Would you like to? Oh, dang, man. It's too hot. Oh, I tell you, this tastes like I paid somebody to make it. I love it. Woo! And I could taste this the sweetness of the honey, the perfection of the soy sauce, the garlic, and everything else. Garlic is just everybody's best friend, boys and girls. I'm gonna take this apart to get some. Woo! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Just off the bone. Look at that! Ooh, all the way inside, the meat is colored. Ooh, look at that! Oh, oh man! Oh goodness gracious! Oh, I love when my meat is cooked all the way. I mean, seasoned all the way on the inside. That is beautiful. Look at this, the color of that meat all the way through. I soaked it in the soda over an hour. Over an hour. I don't think that word is soaked. I think it's marinated. Ooh. This is absolutely delicious. Oh, look at all that garlic in there. If I continue to be able to put this type of masterpiece on my stove, I'm not gonna never want to go out to eat. Oh my goodness. Unfortunately, I ate the avocado, so I can't fill my belly with no more food. But it's only 1 a.m. I'm not going to bed until about 5, maybe 6, maybe not all night. So I'll just leave this here and I'll have it to eat a little while later. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And let me show you something. I just made all of these bracelets. I just listed 2 of them on my last video, which I did about 20 minutes ago. So what I'm going to do is just bag them up because I'm doing an event in October and I'm getting ready. And this one right here is my favorite one. So that's what I'm doing, and have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.